If your games keep crashing inside LDPlayer and like sudden closes, freezes, or force stops, that's super annoying. Let's fix it properly. First, reduce the game's graphics settings. High graphics can overload your system and cause crashes. Next, optimize emulator resources. Set CPU cores to 2 or 4 and RAM to around 4 gigabytes for stability. Virtualization is critical for stability. Enable Intel VT-X or AMD-V. Try changing the graphics engine. Switch between them and test which one works best. Outdated drivers can cause game crashes. Install the latest drivers. Corrupted data can crash games. Clear cache or reinstall the game. Free up system resources. Too many apps can cause instability. Some game versions don't work well on emulators. Update the game or try a different version. If crashes continue, reinstall LDPlayer. This fixes deep system conflicts. So, lower graphics, optimize settings, update drivers, and clear cache. That's the ultimate way to fix LDPlayer game crashes in 2026.